Hi guys, it's Bola here, and today I'm going to be showing you how I make my perfect latte. Just a few days ago I bought this machine. It's a SMEG Lavazza coffee machine, and it's so easy to make. So it comes with some pods, which makes it super easy, but it does make some real good espresso. For me, that's too strong, and I'll show you how I make it light, the perfect latte, like I said. So you literally just pop that into the machine like so. It's already filled with water. You press that down, and then one of my cups there. Because the cup is too big, I am going to have to take out the tray and stick that there. And all I need to do is just press that I want a full cup. Press it again, and that starts to get ready. I love to have the frothy bit on top of my latte. So whilst that is cooking up my coffee, let's make the froth. This is a SMEG frother. It's also a new machine I just got, and it's really amazing. Really just comes with that, and a few little whiskey things at the bottom for the kind of froth that you want. I'm going to pour that glass of milk in there, and we're going to get that going as well. I want it to be really frothy. You don't need to cover it actually when you're frothing it up. That's just for you to cover it when you're done. That should be. I needed to press it one more time. So we're going to get this going as well. And that's it. So we just wait for this to get done. And if you're like me, you probably want to have an iced latte as well. You can do using this blender. I've got my ice cubes over there. That's quite a good suction on it. And I'm going to drop them in here. This is like multitasking going on here, right? As you can hear, this is ready to go over there. Our frother is still going. In the meantime, we're going to see if we can blend, break down our ice a little bit. This is awesome. These machines are just brilliant. So right there, it's got really good suction on it, so you really have to have a good hand on you. So we're going to get 2 glasses done. One for an iced latte. And the other for a hot latte. So our coffee's done. We're waiting for the froth to get worked up on this. It's still going. Awesome. And that's done. So this is how we're going to get it done, right? We can have our coffee in there and a little bit over there. Ideally, I love my milky latte. And this is your perfect latte, just the way I like it. I think you'll like it too. But just for an interesting twist to it, you could, like I am going to, have some nuts sprinkled over it. And the way I got this is literally by putting some ground nuts in my hand blender. I'll show you how I get this done. This is really easy. These are just some shop bought nuts. I put that in my hand blender like so. You know how crazy I am about SMEG machines, and you literally just press that. And you can make it as fine as you like. And then once that is done, put that away. This is what you get right here, and you can sprinkle it, if you're not allergic to nuts, over your latte for a really naughty perfect iced latte or hot latte. Cheers, guys. I'm gonna have mine. Absolutely delicious. The aroma of the nuts just comes right through. If you're a nut lover, you're going to love this, but if not, you can replace that with cinnamon. Your perfect latte. So just a quick recap, guys. So I had a coffee espresso made in the SMEG Lavazza, I think it's called Mio Modo machine, and had our froth made in our frother. To make the iced coffee, I used the SMEG Blender, which I will show you because it's quite a very sturdy, solid machine there. Obviously you can blend other things as well in there, but I use that to blend our ice cubes. If you don't want to blend your ice cubes, you can go ahead and throw it in your glasses. So, and to blend our nuts, I used the SMEG hand blender. So guys, I hope you found this useful. If you did, please like, follow, share and subscribe to my channel, Skinny Cook, and I will be sharing more cooking tips for you. See you later, guys. Thanks for watching. Ciao, ciao.